Yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Mario. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to rip off one of the greatest philosophers we know. His name is Pythagoras. He liked shapes. He's the dude who, invented this thing. So, yeah, today we're going to be ripping him off in a header tutorial. Okay, yeah, jokes aside, listen. Alright. We're making a shape header, okay? We're doing shapes. We're ripping off these. You know, there's like a bunch of them. We're ripping them off, and we're using them in our design. I mean, really, the way I do it, it's super easy. People think I use the pen tool. I don't, because f the pen tool. Really, I'm just in a header template. I have, it's 3000 by 1000. You know, it's pretty much the basic thing everyone uses, 3000 by 1000, because f 1500 by 500, all right? All right, so I have my background layer, I have my lighting set up, which is just a black layer with a white soft brush, and I have it set to overlay and 35% opacity. To get started, we're gonna make a new layer, Control-Shift-N, press OK. Lasso tool, you just hit L on your keyboard, or you can just click this here little thingy. So I have my lasso tool, I'm just gonna make a basic shape, just a triangle. I'm gonna hit G on my keyboard to bring up my gradient tool, and then I'm gonna use this. It's like a sort of really blue dark gray and another lighter blue dark gray type thing. You can either do just like a straight linear gradient like that, or you could do like the angled gradient, which, I mean, people think that this is some tough thing to do. It's literally, you click this button and you're f***ing set for life. So yeah, boom, easy. But I'm gonna use the linear gradient and just make a line. And literally, you repeat this throughout the entire design. So you wanna make sure that the edges are like contrasting. So like, you don't wanna put a dark edge next to a dark edge. You just wanna be dark to light all the time. You can even throw in some more gradient. Let me just make a quick triangle again. This is the sort of like this thing I did for the header I did for Leo, where I took a gradient that went from like black to white. So it's this one. Really, it's just a bunch of different shades just going straight to white, and they're all like, they all have some blue tint to it because I don't like using straight black. I like to have some blue. So really, you just do this over and over again. It's the most, and it's literally this for the entire design. I'm just gonna speed this up so you have to watch me do this, and then I'll come back when I have like a header. Boom, we got a header. Simple as that. Just throw in a couple different gradients and boom, you got yourself a header. So, pretty much what I like to do is I just add noise, about 2% to each of these layers, because I think it looks dope and it helps to sort of like smooth out the gradient, because I pretty much use noise just to smooth out the gradient, because when you just do a gradient, you get what's called gradient banding, and it's like you don't really see the smooth transition. You kind of just see like shade, 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 shade. So I like to put noise because I'm cool. And then yeah, then you put your text and say cloning is fun. You know, I'm just gonna do some quick awesome little typography we got going on here. Blast that up a little bit, put it in the middle, drag it down. You know, we're gonna give it a fun little gradient. That's what we're gonna do, a little gradient we're gonna give it. This is layer style tutorial as well. Not really, but we're already here. Inner glow. Boom. Look at that. We're already nuts. It's nuts. Super easy. Very easy. Very easy. Boom. You got your header. So that's pretty much it. If you want to be more complex, and I recommend you be more complex because we're using shapes. Come on. Everyone does this. You wanna be a little cooler than the rest of the people, so you add extra little bit. So I'm just gonna take the gradient that I used before and kind of just do a reverse of it, just above the layers, and it kind of adds a little more character to it, I think. And, you know, it just helps. I don't know how to fucking explain it. It's fucking dope. That's it. That's all there is. It's fucking dope. I'm gonna speed it up because I actually kind of want to do this. And yeah, just add noise to the rest of them. And look, voila. You have a shape header, my friend. Look, it's shaped, you know. I use the lasso tool, the pen tool, you know. Look at this. Look at that. I did it in like 5 minutes for you. obviously you want to take a little longer and, you know, make your shapes work together. I mean, look, I just threw a whole bunch of shapes on the fucking thing. So make your shapes look cool, add colors to it. You add whatever color you want. Make it pink, make it purple, make it blue, and named all sorts of colors for you around. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much the tutorial. Yeah, if you have any questions, you know, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Don't clone people unless you're using shapes, because nobody else does shapes. Anyway, so yeah guys, that's it for the video. Thanks so much for watching. I stream on Twitch every other day. It's Monday, no, I stream on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So yeah, go follow me on Twitch, link will be in the description. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at MarioTGraphics. I post all my cool designs on Twitter, and I post all these cool, helpful, short form content stuffs on the Instagram. So yeah guys, again, thank you for watching. Sub to my channel. Also, like the video if you enjoyed it. Drop your suggestions for future tutorials in the comments, and I'll be sure to get around them. I upload on this channel every Tuesday, except I missed last week, so don't get mad at me. But yeah, bye guys.
These girls wanna tie a kid down and keep me around, but I would never change. I'm a dog, I'm a hound, but I tell them what they wanna hear. They like how it sounds till I'm gone with the wind and I'm lost, never found. I met her at my show, then we smashed right after. If we go 3 rounds, then she fall in love faster. Very next morning, I'm Casper in another city for a show, somewhere getting plastered. It's a disaster. To her, I'm a drug. I do her kinda